Hello, little adventurers! It's a beautiful day at the beach, and I have my favorite animal deck with me. Do you want to learn some animal sounds? Look! It's a cow! What sound does a cow make? Let's say it together. Moo! Moo! Cows love to moo in the fields. Great job! Oh, here's an elephant. Elephants have big, strong trunks. What sound do they make? Let's try it. That's the sound of a big, friendly elephant. And here's a cute little cat. Cats go meow, meow, just like that. Can you meow like a cat? You did it! You did it! Do-do-do-do-do-do! Oh, hello there, little crab. Would you like to see my animal cards too? You want a turn? Of course you can have one. Sharing is fun. Good choice. That's a dog. Dogs go ruff, ruff. Can you try it, Crab? Great job, Crab. Woof, woof. Thank you for playing with me, Crab. And thank you, little adventurers, for learning animal sounds with me. Remember, sharing with your friends makes everything more fun. See you next time. Bye for now.